Hello, so today we are going to be doing a tycoon with Diana from Diana and Beer. Go check out their video that they're posting on this. They are doing a part 2. And without further ado, let's get started. We kind of did get started, but just don't mind this. Yeah. Let's get to it. Okay, we're back, and we've been playing for like a couple of seconds, and it's already very easy, so hopefully it gets a little bit challenging. Yeah. So far, I've pretty much got all my stuff. She hasn't really touched any of her stuff up here, because, I don't know. And this might take a while, so... Oh yeah, make sure to go check out another one of our channels in the link description. Sadly, their channel got deleted, so you can't watch the video that there's one to post. I know. It's quite tragic. Dang, okay. So, we literally... we literally already have this entire, like, base set up, but we don't have anything. So, we've been playing for 5 minutes, and we don't got anything. The time, like, scale that you're watching this on is much different than what we're actually doing. So, yeah. Also, make sure to watch Diana's video in the link in description. The one thing we figured out about this game is that they actually have the foam thing. Like, when they're building houses, they normally put up this, like, foam stuff in between the wood. So, I don't know what it is, but they put it up. So, that's nice. It's like, so... Can I not go down here? Oh. Okay, so we're gonna go up here and get all the rest of the stuff we needed to get, so... This is a very interesting room. It's just the painting. That's nice, I guess. We have a key to a hotel and a bank. I'm looking to question why, but we do. Ah yes, nice. A window full of money we'll never be able to have, but it's there. Because it's nice and we love money, so we're gonna have a window that just shows money. So, literally, we have a few more things. I'm trying to find where the other things are supposed to get are. This house is very cramped. I don't know why, it's just so... It's so cramped. Ooh, we have a gun. Can I not? We're gonna shoot her down. Wherever she is. No. Hey, where are you? Wait, where are you? I don't see you anywhere. Wait, what? You're doing what now? Oh my god. So this just happened. I just got thrown across the entire map, and she just reset the car. I'm trying to find her. Oh wait. Come back. Don't, no. Okay. Oh, there she is. Okay. This is a bazooka. A bazooka. So she thinks this is a bazooka. This sword fits me. You're literally shoving me into the thing. There we go. So this is the difference in money. Oh no. It is. It is. Diana. And thank you guys so much for watching. Goodbye. Bloopers.